considers all other options in the region, and the more husband and I consider what our options are, even with the schools question, there are no school options in Detroit, and some of this is about figuring out how to get the information you need to make the decision that's right for your family, and just having your eyes wide open about what the upsides and downsides are. The upsides for me are that my kids believe that the DIA is part of their every Sunday experience. That's what they know. They think the Science Center is like a playhouse. Like they don't understand that it's something special that not everybody gets to go to. The River Walk is our backyard. Easter Market is where we go every Saturday morning. The Y is our community meeting spot. And these are amenities. I mean, I grew up in the suburbs. There's a while on the surface some things might be better in the suburbs, I think there's also a feeling of isolation that we don't experience in Detroit. Kim and I bonded through our daycare experience. Our kids go to the same school, Middleton, Montessori, which is a wonderful school. And the diversity of the community and the diversity of the opportunities that our kids have. I start to wonder what will we give up to, on paper, have the lower crime statistics or slightly better, education options.
You can set up a business anywhere, obviously, and coffee would work in a lot of the hip suburbs. We know that around, and yet because they've got to be special problems that come with trying to run a business in Detroit, right?
Yeah. So opened 6 years ago, and my wife grew up in the neighborhood here, coming from Barcelona, from Spain, and she wanted to really open a business in the neighborhood that she grew up. And the good thing is me coming from outside and she coming from inside, we're putting on the table different ideas, and work to connect to the neighborhood. But when I opened it, I didn't know about it. But it helped the bold idea to connect with the neighborhood, connect with the community. And then sure, there was hard when we started opening business. It was in Parental, we were thinking of opening the coffee shop in Parental, but we took communication to opening in Southwest.
It was a little bit like what Kim was talking about. There was a loyalty that your wife had built in because maybe common sense might have told you to do something else, but her heart led her to where you are.
Right.
Yeah.
And from a big city, I wanted to be
of course. Yes. We're at the Detroit, we're Barcelona of the Midwest. Reggie, what are your thoughts on what you're hearing? Because I know you've been part of this conversation a million times.
Well, my wife and I talked when we were courting about and she told me that there were two things that
courting is such a regal
two things she didn't want to do. One is buy a home in the city of Detroit, and the other was drive an American car. Well, I courted her really hard. 2 years. We bought our first house in Detroit, drove American cars. And I think she was
It does, though. That is still a driver, though, for a lot of families' decisions. You can withstand the city for so long, and then your kids need schools, and it makes a difference. I mean, even with all the
there's no question about it. That is an issue that we have to work on, but it's not just in Detroit. I mean, our statewide statistics aren't that great with respect to ACT scores. I mean, they're just not that good. It's a national problem. Detroit is kind of the canary in the mine on that one. So we need to improve our entire K-12 educational system in this state to produce more college-ready students with the skills needed to compete in the 21st century economy. For me, Detroit is a decision made with the heart. I really wanted to live in Detroit. My father was a Detroit police officer, There are some exceptions. That's a great material.
This wrinkle, Missouri, you run and own a business in Detroit. You live actually in Parental.
Yeah.
What is keeping you from doing what these three have done?
Education, never the kids. Yeah, I can afford for private schools for the kids. And I noticed in the customers in the coffee shop, the couple they're living, they want the kids that have 3-4 years, and they